Options Pop looks for options with upside potential of 50% to 300%. Then it alerts you to the exact option to buy. It likes to find options that are priced at 75 cents or less, and these options can go up 50% or more in 10 days or less. Here's where you get a real advantage with Options Pop. Options Pop uses technical analysis on the stock first. The reason is because the stock is the most important part of any options trade. Most people study options first, then the stock, and that does not work. Options Pop uses technical analysis on the stock first, and once it finds a stock, then it selects the options to buy and emails you an alert. Here's an example. Options Pop sent this alert out on Cisco to buy the August 28 puts at 50 cents or better. And like I say, Options Pop likes low-priced options, usually priced at 75 cents or less. These options are selected to give you a bang for your buck. In this case, the option went from 50 cents to $3.12. That's a gain of 524% in 7 days. And here's how it happened. If you look at this chart on Cisco, you'll see that on Wednesday, Options Pop alert came out to buy the August 28 Cisco 28 strike price puts at 50 cents. And that's when Cisco was right at right about $28. So we bought that put at 28, the 28 strike price put at 50 cents. Then as the stock goes down, the value of that put increases. So as you see here, Cisco, the stock price goes down, but the put goes from 50 cents to $3. And here's a quote of the option just to show you how that happened. Now, it was down 18 cents on the last trade. It went a little higher than this, but just to show you, this is a quote of when the time came to sell this option, it went from 50 cents to $3.12. So that's a huge gain in just a few days. Now, not every trade works out like this. Some could make little or nothing at all, and you could lose some or all of your money on any trade. But because the gains are so large, even if you have only a few gains like this, you still end up making a profit. And that's what this is all about, you making options trading profits. And Options Pop delivers. That's why people love it. However, this is not for everyone. Here's who Options Pop can help. First, this is for people that are comfortable with risk because options involve risk and are not suitable for all investors. Two, people that already understand put and call options but need help finding options to buy that have a high probability of moving up in price. You see, once you have spent the time learning how put and call options work, you'll spend even more time and effort finding the right stocks and the exact strike prices to buy. And even then, the stock and options you pick may not work out. That's why Options Pop does all the hard work for you. And third, this is for people that understand options risks and are seeking big gains in the options market in 10 days or less.